So after you finish setting up your reoccurring membership in PayPal, then it's going to take you to a receipt page that looks like this. And you can click down here at the bottom left, and it'll take you directly to creatorscouture.com, which is where I put all my new templates and my new products. But you can also have access to all of the legacy templates on dailydesignables.com. So if you want to access those, just click here on the top left, the logo Daily Designables, and that's going to take you to the home page. And here you have all the different categories of templates on the left. Same up here, you can access all the categories right there. And this is a great resource. This was my first site, and as part of your membership, you have access to every single template on this site. And I have about 400 templates or template packages on this site, and they're great for, you can use them for blog graphics, you can use them for print templates, you can remix them and create your own designs and your own templates. So it's a really great resource, and there's a lot of good products here. So if you want to access any of those, you click on the collections page, and then you're going to have thumbnails like this. And then you just go to any individual product. The page setup looks like this. And this is a template. It's for a birth announcement, but you can use it for anything really. It'd be a great, even a blog graphic, what have you. So on the product pages, there's going to be a green download button, and you simply click on that, and it's going to start downloading straight away if you're already logged in, and if you're not logged in, it's going to prompt you to download. So I hope you enjoy all of the legacy templates on dailydesignables.com, and then be sure to check out all the new resources on creatorscouture.com as well.